Goodness. What the? A power box. Hello.
Do you want to go?
Oh, thank you. Start again. What the? Ow! No, get off. Yes. Get off.
Can you just give it back?
No.
Oh, ouch! It's my nephew's game, not yours.
Ow! I'm gonna get one of those. Here we are. Power box. What? How much? Hello? Hello?
Tomorrow, it's a sale, but be early. Only 6 at that price.
What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. We're not going anywhere, Teddy. Chilly, Teddy. Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Oh. Oh. Whoop. Oh. Tent. Oh, it's cold, isn't it, Teddy? Oh, excuse me, could I borrow, your...
Sure.
Oh, thank you very much. There we go, Teddy. But something's on the sauce. Oh.
Oh.
Wait, no. Teddy's keeping my place. No. How can I get to that? Oh. Ooh. Ow. Oh, I've got an idea. Here we go, Teddy. Oh, well done, Teddy. Right. Snug. Oh, of course. Just... There we go. Oh. Oh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, plenty. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and that's fine. Right. Let's put this house. Good. Right. Morning. I'm ready. Oh. Dum, dum, dum. Dum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No chance. Oh no. Hello? Oh, I'll just be 2 minutes. I'm going. Excuse me. Thank you. What?
To the back.
But I just had to go. That had to do this.
Back.
No.
No chance.
Oh no! The boxes have gone! Huh? Morning.
Oh.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Huh? There's an idea. Oh. Here we are.
What? Oh, you!
Oh, that really hurt. Interesting. Let me think. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep. Yes!
Huh? Right, time to let them in.
One at a time, please.
One of those, please. No, that one.
She's stealing them. Right. Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah. Oh, she's getting away. Ha ha. Game over. Oh, I've got my money.
Oh, no charge.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Very, very nice of you, thank you.
See you next time.
No chance.
Too noisy!
Quick game?
If you can't beat 'em, join 'em.
Watch out, Teddy! But you...
There.
Huh? What? What? Where are we going?
Which would you like?
That one. Beanie.
What?
Very romantic.
Yes, very nice. What? How much? I don't think so. Oh, hello.
If Teddy wanted to go, you'd pay.
Well, fair point. Oh,
Take me on holiday, then I'll give you Teddy back.
oh, Teddy! Teddy! Cat show.
Oh, hello. Thinking of entering? Starts at 4. First prize, holiday for 2 to Paris.
Oh, really? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Scrapper. Giddy, 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 giddy. Come and get the nice food. Come on. Ha ha! Gotcha. Down. You. When you come back here. Ah, excellent. Just got to. Oh, that was close. Oh. Phew. Here he comes. Yes! I've got you this time. But you're coming with me. Shh. Time for a bath, Scrapper. I think I need protection. There we go. Come back here. Oh, I'll be needing those. Scrapper. Ow. Come on down. Come on. Oh, there must be something. Aha. Oh, sardines. Come on, kitty. Lovely sardines. Come on. Oh. Oh. There we go. Right. Oh. Right. Teeth time. Okay. Now let me see. Here we go. What a picture. Oh, but look, it'll have to do. Okay, Scupper. Come on, in you go. There we go. Right.
Hello. This way, please.
There we go. Right. Oh! No photographs, please.
Lovely.
Honestly.
Hello.
Ah, yes, good afternoon. How are you?
The entrance fee?
What? Okay, all right.
Thank you. Over there.
Oh. Oh, he's a little excited.
And next we have...
Fluffball the third.
Let's see how long his tail is.
Oh, come on.
Fine teeth.
Oh.
Perfect length, yes. Thanks. And next we have no cat.
Tibbles?
Oh.
Tibbles!
Next we have...
Ah, yes. Well, this is Scrapper, a prize specimen, I think you'll agree.
He'll have to come out of there.
Really? Okay. Scrapper. No. Scrapper, control yourself.
Oh dear.
Scrapper. Oh, no. Help me. Come on. Look. Smell that. Yes. Oh, hello. I'm so sorry. It's very highly strung. Oh. So,
He is the only cat left, so he is the winner.
Oh. Well.
Photo of the winner and the cat.
Oh. Well, we'll be off. Thank you so very much. Bye. Hello. Here we go.
What? Hey? Bean?
Irma, we're going to Paris. And I'll be seeing you again very soon. We're off.
Right. Hey, Bean? Holiday for two.
Hello, I'll be right down. Morning. There we go. Oi! What?
My cat, my holiday.
What?
Shove up.
Teddy!
Oh, you'll need this. You're looking after Scrapper.
What did you...
Driver, to the airport.
No, come back! Teddy! Oh, no. Oh, no. Balloons. I love a balloon. Oh. Oh. Just a moment. Irma's birthday. Tomorrow. I nearly forgot. Right. Now, let me see. Soppy love. Aha. No. Oh, the bargain bucket. 200. I'll never have to buy another birthday card again. Ah. Ah, da-da. Da-da, da-da. Huh? Oh. Oh. That's nothing like him. Oh, sorry.
Oi!
Good. I wonder. Oh, I know what'd be good. Dinner! To Irma, you smell. Just pop that in the envelope. Shall I really do it? Shall I? No, I'm joking. Here we go. Happy birthday, Irma. Mr. Bean. Now, where did I put my stumps? Oh, very good. Oh, good. Excuse me. Oh, phew. Finally. Right, let's pop that in the post. Oh yes, excellent. Good. Good. Happy birthday, Irma. If that's here, then the other one is the one I put in the box. Oh no, I need to swap it. Quick, quick, quick. Oh no. It's there, it's just there.
Excuse me?
Oh, hello. Could I just swap this for this?
Oi!
Ow!
No interfering with the Royal Mail.
No, but that's mine. I posted it, and I just want to put this for this one. Right. Huh. Can I help you there? There. Oh, there we go. Right, now, wait. No, wait. But, no. Oh, no, you don't. No, but I could. Right. Well. Yeah. Oh. Aha. Now, to find my card. How hard can it be? Oh, my goodness. Where is it? My card. Yes. There it is. Oh, no. It's nothing but... over there. No. Yes. Excellent. Right. Oh, no. What is going on? Oh! Ow! Yes! Right.
Gotcha! I told you, pal.
Oh no! No, but it's my letter. It's
Ow!
Oh, of course. It'll be delivered to Irma's tomorrow. And I'll be there. What? Yes. Gotcha.
No! You! Hey! Oh!
Beanie? Oh, is that for me?
Yes, it's this one.
Oh, daffodils, my favourite. Thank you. Is that supposed to be me?
No, that's the wrong one.
Right.
No, that's wrong. Look, it's this one, it's this one. Oh, no, disaster. Teddy, I'm home. Teddy, where are you? Hello? Teddy, are you in there? Where did I put him? Scrapper! Get off Teddy at once! All right, if that's how you want to play it. Yes. Ooh, that'll do nicely. Oh. All right. Ha ha. Come on. Gotcha. You can make all the noise you like. Right. But I've got something that'll cheer you up. Look. Hey? Stay right there. Let me see. Fleas! Oh, Teddy, honestly. Oh. Poor Teddy. Oh. Oh. Ooh. This might help. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ah. Oh, yes, that's better. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Of course, the fleas! Oh no, they must be everywhere. Come on, where are you? Gotcha. Oh. Now, let me see. Ah, here we are. Hello, Pest Control. Oh, very good.
Out.
Okay, good luck.
Hey, Bean?
I need a shower now. Fleas.
Fleas?
Oh.
Oh, all right. Here, take this.
Oh, thank you.
I'll put this in the washing machine.
Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. There we go.
Thank you. Right, you've got to keep out for 24 hours.
24 hours? But my clothes and Teddy, he's in there. Oh, no. Oh.
Oh!
Can I stay with you, Mrs. Wicket? Just 24 hours? Please?
Oh, all right. 24 hours.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
And the bail was set at
Oh.
£500,000.
Ah, this is more like it. Hey, I was watching that.
If you're going to stay here, you've got work to do.
What? Work? Now what?
There you go.
Hey? All that? Not bad. Okay, all done.
Drying up as well.
What? There we are.
Not bad. Tea?
Oh, yes, please.
Not for you, for me.
Hey!
Here.
Yes, yes, yes. There we are. I know how to make a cup of tea.
Top shelf. Oh, it's so...
Is it nice?
Oh!
Oh. What? Look at the state of these. What the...
Boil washed them. Gets rid of fleas.
Any more jobs?
Here, just a few.
What? Oh. Excuse me. Thank you.
There.
Not bad. There we are.
Oi, that's Scrapper's spot.
What? Honestly?
Bed.
Oh, great.
Bean, you forgot to put the bins out.
Oh, what? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Hello, Mrs Wicket? Oh.
Breakfast.
Oh, coming. Yes! 24 hours! Hooray!
Where you been?
Ta-da! I'm free! Teddy!
Scrapper? Not fleas. Ooh. Ah. Oh.
Right, you've got to keep out for 24 hours.
But where am I going to stay?
Not my problem.
Yes, can I help?
Just 24 hours, please.
Okay, come on in.
Tea? Anything else?
Well, where would you like to start?
What?
Oh,
Oh, look.
Oh, thank you. Oh, no, I don't know.
Huh? Ow. Where are we going?
look!
How much? I can do what he does.
Prove it!
All right, I will.
Ugh.
But I need a violin. Aha! Yes!
So, you hold them like this, and then you waggle them, I find.
Oh. Oh. Phew. There we go. Don't. Oh.
There you are.
Thank you.
Hello.
Oh, hello. I'd like one of those, please.
A violin. I'll just go and get you one.
Thank you. Look at that one. Oh, sorry.
That's not a violin. Like this.
Ah, that's a better size. I'll take that one.
Yes.
That one's dangerous.
Music?
Oh, yes, please. Yeah, seems about right.
And a stand.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
There we go.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Amateur.
Oh.
Right. Good. So that's... Ta-da! Ow! Ow! Said all we need is the music. What the... Honestly. Right, there we are. Oh, Teddy, let me play for you. Oh. 3, 4. All right. But 3, 4.
Oi! Shut it! Have this!
Oh!
Oi!
Oh.
Oi!
Oh.
Up it, Bean!
Ah, nice quiet spot. Ah, 3, 4.
Will you? I'm sorry.
Is this yours?
Sorry.
Bye. 3, 4.
What?
Oh, Eduardo.
Your playing needs some help. I could show you.
Oh, okay. Well, that's very kind of you. Thank you very much. Oh, come in.
Have you got a cat?
No.
Like this.
Three, four.
No, like this.
Three, four.
What? Again.
Why, you...
Enchante. Mwah.
Oh,
Three, four.
No, you said you didn't have a cat.
I don't. It's hers.
I'm allergic. I must leave. Oh no! I'm feeling terrible. Oh, this is appalling.
come on, Scrapper.
Oh no. I'm not ready. Aha.
Oh. Wow. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're really good, Beanie. For tonight, 2 tickets.
Oh, lovely. Hmm? Shush yourself.
I'm sorry. No Eduardo, no show.
Go on, you can play.
No.
I've heard you.
Get up there.
Oh, no. Oh, dear. Right. Evening.
Oh.
Oh dear, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Oh, what can I do?
Oh, I know. I'll play. You.
3, 4. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, hello.
Here. Mwah.
3,